Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of PowerApps. So today's show we are going to discuss collection in PowerApps. Collection in PowerApps are memory data table used to store, manipulate and retrieve data within an application. The means is if suppose we are creating any kind of collection that will not be stored apart from the application, outside of the application, it will store inside the application only, and we can play around with data inside the application. We can manipulate the data or we can retrieve the data, right? So here are three major functions: collect, clear collect and clear. Let's understand one by one. So first we will discuss the collection. Collection is basically, this is a syntax: collect, my collection, this is the name that you can provide hard coded, and name is the property, John is the value, age is the property and 30 is the value. So this is a single collection, this is a single item into the collection, but if you want you can just put a comma over here and then add a more item over here, right? So this is how you can add items into the collection, right? So let's move on. Make.powerapps.com. In this application we were working previously, so let me add a button control over here. This is the button. For now I will go and I will say collect, and then here you can see collection, we will provide the name. So this we will go user details and then item. So here we will provide the item, okay, user company details we can say. Here we will go with the two item, age, or we can go name is Anil, and then next property age, and that is 30. Now again if you will click on button, see here, this is age 30 and name Anil has been stored over here, right? So this button, let me rename as collect. Now if I hit this button, then see I hit it 3 or 4 times, it is going to be added the collection, the same item into the collection again and again. It is not refreshing the data. First, it is not going to clear the data. It is appending the data, whatever data was before. So this is called collect. Now let me add one more button for clear collect. So this is clear collect. Now let me just add only clear over here, and whenever I will click on this clear collect, you can see first it will clear the data, then it will add the row. Now if you will click more than one time, it will not add the data, duplicate data. See here, only it will adding one time. Why it is adding one time? Because first we are clearing the data, then it is storing the data into the collection. Clear and collect, right? So this is clear collect. Now let me show you the clear. Okay, so here if you will see collect, and then we having clear collect, and then we having the clear. So let me add one more button. Okay, then here I will say clear and call, what was the name of our collection? That is user detail. Or the best practice is just add call kind of here, because so that you can understand this is your collection, right? This is just duplicate added. Great. Now this collection I will go and I will paste over here, and I'll just close it. Now whenever I will click on this button, the data, whatever data was over there, that will be deleted. See here, now we do not have any data, so this is called clear. Okay, it will clear the data from the collection. If suppose this clear functionality I will add on the collect one, then what it will do, it will clear the data, then it will add the data. It means it will work as it is, that is clear collect is going to be work. See here, now if I'll click multiple times and see the data, it is clearing the data and adding only one record, right? Now let me add one more button over here, and then we can see remove. Okay, so let me go and rename it as a remove. Now if I want, I can remove and see the function collection name, and then it is saying item. So item, I can go for lookup. We have already discussed what is the lookup. If you didn't watch my previous video, before proceeding, watch first so that you can understand what is the lookup. Now I will find call user details and comma age equals to 30. If the age equals to 30, remove that item. So right now, if you will see into the collection, we do have only one data, right? So what I will do, I will just delete this, and in a collection, I will add few more data. Okay, so let me add, copy and paste this at 2 or 3 places. Okay, now here I will change the name Sunil, and Sunil is 37. Nitesh is 39. Ankit is 25. Manish is 23. Right, so these all are the name. If suppose I will click over here, then you can see now we are getting all the rows over here. Okay, we are getting 1 2 3 4 5, whatever we have added, that we are getting over here. So let me make it little bit up so that you can visualize all the rows. Right, now the 30 is Anil, right? So here we have defined, I want to remove the item if the age is 30. How I will do that? So let me just click on this remove button, and you can see now in my collection the Anil has been removed, right? Only 4 records are available for now. So this is the remove. So let me give you one use case over here. Okay, so I will add a gallery control over here. This is my vertical gallery. This button I will make to shift little bit up. I will add basically this purchase entry. Okay, so in the purchase entry here I will put, if you will see here we are having product type. So I will put product type dot value. This is my first, and second I will put the price. Okay, so these all are the price. Now I will make it little bit big, large. Inside this I will add a button control. Okay, now this button name I will put add to cart. Okay, and this I will just make cart. This I can remove. Great. Now if suppose I can create a collection, collect, and here I will go call cart. Okay, and here I will provide few property. Okay, so this will be name, or we can say product type will be this item dot product type dot value, and then second price equals to this item dot price, and is in this is in this item dot is in number. Okay, so this is my card, right? So what I will do, I will create one more gallery control over here. Let me copy and paste. Okay, so this is my another gallery. Okay, now in this gallery I will bind with call card. Okay, and here this button I can make as a remove. Okay, and then this is fine. This will be remove and call cart and this item. Okay, so stay calm. What I'm trying to do here, I'm just creating a gallery. Whenever you will add this item into the cart, your cart will be visualized over here. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will add a cart icon, shopping cart icon. So this is your shopping cart icon. Okay, and here I will add one more label control. Right, so this is your label. Inside this label, what you can do, okay, so right now it's 0. Why this is not showing? So we do not added the image. So let me add the image over here. Image. So this will be this item dot image. Now here what I will do, I will add this item dot image. Okay, now whenever I will click on this add to cart, see here the one is added over here, right? So right now one item is in our cart. Okay, and this is the laptop, and this is the 111 is the price of this laptop. And then if I want to add the mouse into my cart, you can see the mouse has been added. If I want to add the mobile, you can see the mobile has been added. If I want to add the headphone has been added, right? So what I will do, I will just go and shift it little bit up. Okay, now if I want to remove this mobile, I don't want to purchase the mobile, I will just click over here and the mobile has been removed from my cart, and right now only 3 items I can see my cart. Okay, you can see here. So this is the add to cart, and then this is the remove functionality, you can say, right? So this is how we can create a use case collect, clear collect, or if you want to clear your complete entire this cart. So how you will do that? I will go and I will add a button. Okay, and here I will say clear cart. Okay, now here clear and call cart. Now if I will click over here clear, my entire this should be clear. Click on clear, my entire cart will be cleared, right? Again I can add, again I can remove, remove one item, remove the complete entire card. So this is how we can use collect, clear and remove, and we can create a small application, right? Now we will move on the next part. So we do have lots of functions still. Remove if. Okay, so what is the remove if? You can see remove if my collection, if age is greater than 30, then remove it. Okay, so this is the remove if. So this was the remove. In the remove, we can say we are providing a complete item name, right? This is our complete item. See here. So right now, if you will say this call company details, we having this, but 30 has been removed, and that's the reason it is not showing. If I'll go for 37, it will show me like 37 is name is Sunil and age is 37. So this item will be removed. Now we will go for remove if. Okay, copy it and paste over here and say remove if. Okay, so the remove if will be here. We have to put if, and then age is equals to 37. Now if you will see, we having here records, age is 37, name is Sunil. Now whenever I will hit this remove a button, you can see my item has been removed. Okay, let me show you. See here, 37 has been removed. Now we will go for patch. Patch is very important. So for now I'm just creating one small example, but later on we will create a separate video for a patch, because patch is a like very useful function in a Power Apps. Okay, so let me add a button now. This will be patch. In a patch, it's asking the record. So user call user company details. Now it is asking which item you want to update. So we have to find out that item. Okay, so we go for lookup, because lookup only give you the single item, and call user details, where age equals to 39. Okay, so let me see if age is 39 is available or not available. Accordingly we will do. Now I want to update the name as updated by patch. So if 39 will be available, it will update, else it will skip. So 39 is Nitesh. So now Nitesh will be updated by patch. Okay, let me run it. Click on the patch function. Now see company detail and updated by patch, right? So this has been updated. What is the patch function? First we have to provide the data source, then which item you want to update, and which property you want to update. If you want to update more than 2 property, you can just put and go for age. Age should be 40, right? So whenever I will click over here, click on patch, and then see my age has been updated. It should be 39 to 40, right? So age has been updated as a 40 now. So this is the patch. Now we will go and we will see the update function. Okay, the update function is if update column student, it is the previous record and it is the new record. Okay, so this is how we have to put a complete record into the update. Okay, so let me go and add one button over here. Great. Now update and collection call user details, company user details, and see old record and new record. So in old record, what I will do, I will go for age, and age is 40, and Then next is name. Name is updated by patch. Okay, this is my old record and here is the new record. What you want to add as a new? I want, say, replace it or update it by age equals to 55 and name, it should be updated by update function. Right now, whenever I will hit the button and see, click on this button and see 55 and updated by update function, right? So it is working as expected. I will rename it like update. The next function is UpdateIF. Okay, UpdateIF. So let me copy and paste one more button and this will be UpdateIF. Let me make some space over here. So it will be update if. Okay, now I will go, I will remove it and I will say update if condition and item. See here, condition and update if my collection age is less than 25, update it. Okay, so what I will do, call comma condition age is less than 30 when update the item. Okay, when what you want to update age, I want to update age as 99 and name equals to updated by update if function. So see here, for less than 30 how many users we have? We have two users, 25 and 23. So these two users name will be updated by updated if function. Okay, so let me hit this update if button. So here we can hit by press the alt and then hit the button. So this is the second way to run the application. So if you will see, updated by updated if function, updated by updated if function, and 99, right? So this is update if function. Now for all, so let me go and copy and paste one more button. Okay, so this will be for all. Now for all and call user company details and then patch. This will be user company detail and then lookup user company detail comma age equals to 99. Okay, this I will close and then I want to update age equals to 199 and name equals to updated by for all, right? And let me close it. Now I'll format it. Now whatever is it will find on 99, it will update, right? So whenever I will click on for all, see, it will update for all the record that is having 99. So it is put it as 199 and updated by for all, and 199, right? So this is our for all. The next is with function. So with function is very useful, like scope variable, not collection specified but helpful. With, so basically x, this is the local variable that they are creating and they are putting this value for first my collection x.name, improve performance and readability. Okay, so the example is, so suppose they have put it this example. Let me show you. If price into quantity, if price into quantity plus price into quantity into tax rate, they want to calculate this. But price into quantity, again they are putting price into quantity, right? So why they are putting again this price into quantity plus price into quantity? What they can do price into quantity, whatever variable this value will store, the same variable they can pass over here, right? So do not need to create a local or context variable. We can just use with and total equals to price into quantity, right? Then instead of price into quantity, we can put this total and plus price into quantity equals to will be total and then into tax rate. So this will simplify our formula, right? So this is the with function. So I think we have covered everything. There are few things like from a function if you want. So this is my collection, okay, and if this collection you want the first first record, then what you will do, you will go and add a button, okay, then here you can go and check first. So I will do first and then call company employee detail and see. Whenever I will click here, it will give me the first record. See, this is giving the complete record, but if you will see here, this is giving our first record, age equals to 55 and name equals to updated by functions. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.